Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Tep Travel Wi-Fi. So if you don't know what this is basically like a portable Wi-Fi device. When you have one of these, you can go to different countries, turn it on, and connect your devices, whether it be a telephone, computer, iPad, whatever. You can connect up to 5 different devices to your little Teppy device. So we have been using this thing for a couple of years now, and we just upgraded to the latest version. And how it works is you can either buy or rent the device, the Tep device. And when you go to another country, you turn it on, and then you can connect your cell phone or whatever. How this device works, whatever country you're in, it will grab the Wi-Fi from the towers wherever you are. So the reason why we got this device is because we're YouTubers, as you're seeing on this channel right now, and we do live streaming. And we also need our cell phone for other things, like to get Uber, to look up directions. You need internet. And if we were to take our cell phones, our regular cell phone plans from here in Vancouver, Canada, and use it, let's say in like when we were in Germany or in China, and use the same internet data from our telephone company, our phone bills would be through the roof. So this is a cheaper alternative to get Wi-Fi when you're traveling around in different countries. And so we have used this in Shanghai, China, Berlin, Germany, London, England, the Netherlands, and all over Israel. Now the internet speed and strength is going to be different each time because it really depends where you are and how strong the signal is at that location that you're at. So if there are a lot of cell towers, then you're likely going to get a good connection. But if you're off in the country somewhere, you might not get as strong of a connection. So this is the previous device that we were using with Tep, but they recently upgraded to a new model, which I'm going to be unboxing right now. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. This is interesting. Then we've got here a little tab to pull. I don't want it to fall out. So I'm just going to go like this. It's almost like a little book of some sort. Alright, so let's look at the accessories first. We've got the Tep Travel Wi-Fi user manual. And I have to first say that Tep Wireless, their customer service is on point. It's so good, both on telephone and on chat. Every time I've messaged them asking a question about something, there's always someone there immediately, and they're always very helpful. Do not hesitate to reach out on their website, especially even with the chat. It's not a bot, it's an actual person chatting with you. They're always so delightful to deal with. Alright, so the next thing in the box is this little cord thing. That's going to attach to the corner piece of the actual device. There's 3 colors so far. There's green, pink, and blue. We decided to go with the blue. This is the charging cord for the device. You just plug this part into the wall adapter and then this part into the actual device. And then here we have the Tep wireless device. So as you can see, it's very thin. It's almost like a cell phone. This is where you charge it, and this is where you add that string there. And it's very simple. It has one power button right there and then a light that shows you that it's on. And then if you can see very close up, etched in there, there's 3 symbols. There's the Wi-Fi, the battery, and the internet signal. And I have to say that they've simplified this from the previous version. Basically, all you do is turn this on, wait for it to show up in your internet Wi-Fi, connect to this device, and then you'll have your internet. So like I said, you can either buy or rent this device. We chose to buy it because we are always traveling and we do always live stream whenever we are traveling. So it made sense for us to buy the Tep wireless device. But you can definitely rent them if you don't travel as much. So you can see how different the device is from its previous model, which was basically like a black hockey puck, to now this, which is kind of like a cell phone type shape. So there's a ton of countries that Tep connects to, and you can find all of those countries in their website. And like I said, we've used this in China, Germany, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and Israel so far. So this device has saved us a ton on our phone bill because, as I said, if we were to use the same kind of internet usage that we used while streaming or just looking up directions, grabbing an Uber, if we used our Canadian company here, over there in the different countries, then our phone bill would be through the roof. So this is definitely a way to get internet and to save on your phone bill as well. I highly recommend using this kind of a device. It's very handy, very useful, it's inexpensive, and the customer support that Tep offers is amazing. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, head down to the description below as I will have the link for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here, and it is January 1st, 2019 in China. We are exploring the streets here and getting some local cuisine. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel and Arit here. Hello. And we are in England right now, and guess where we are standing right in front of right now. I'll give you 2 seconds to guess, and then I'm gonna flip the camera.
Well, England is a pretty big country, so I don't know.
We are at, here we go, we are at Stonehenge, right in front. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel and Arit here, and we are now in Berlin, Germany. So guten Tag to you guys right now. And we're standing in front of this major cathedral. We did a bike tour yesterday, and I saw this building as we were biking through, and I was like blown away. That, first of all, I didn't even think it was a church. It doesn't look like a church at all. Let me just face it towards here and give you guys a better view. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel and Arit. We're here in Amsterdam right now. We're on a sidecar tour in Amsterdam. We're headed to the windmill. Check out our view. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel here, and today we were riding some camels. It's one of my items that has been on my bucket list for the longest time, and when I first came here back in 2008/9, I didn't get a chance to ride a camel, and now that I'm here in 2019, we just rode the camel, and it was amazing. I've ridden horses before, and this was actually a lot more comfortable than riding a horse, and the ride is a lot, I find it's a bit smoother and it's nicer on the back. But let me show you some of the camels. So we're here at like a camel ranch. You can also stay in these buildings here. They're in the desert. It's kind of like a desert hotel a little bit. And here's some of the camels. I think the ones that we rode on are over there. We had done a little tour as well. We just came back from it, and I couldn't do a live while we were riding because of the internet, but now that we're more stationary, we can ride. So you can see the camels here. They're really cute, really nice. We're here in the are we in the Negev Desert or Negev Desert?